because I am going to use fusioning on this. And this matte top coat is give you a perfect matte. It's really sway matte. Let some hair stuff fur get in there. I'm gonna pop this in a lamp for about 60 seconds. Let's see, I have some hair in there. Great, 60 seconds, please. And next, I am going to using thinking green. So yesterday we did with purple. It looks freaking cute for Mardi Gras. And let me try see how that thinking green turn out. I think it's gonna be good because we are gonna put some purples. We are going to do some mascaras and some crystals on. So we'll see how it turn out because I'm excited to get to play with this. So only I'm using one color, so I'm going to using crystal clear is my solution, so then it blend really nice for me. This is really helping me so much. Like if you have a hard time doing your marble ink, fusion ink, and if you are on like so hard time, like, oh my god, I don't know if like my fusion ink it keep bleeding, keep blending, and it's just blurry, it doesn't look good because you probably using a little bit too much of your fusioning, and or you using too much of your solutions, either way. So I am going to just tap just few drop. It looks good though. You don't need a whole lot, and let it set for just a bit, and then we're gonna using our crystal clear, so we're gonna blend it out. Just to give it some veins look. And always have a piece of paper, so then that's way you can wipe up your brush before you put it back into your crystal clear. That's way. You got me the new one? Mm-hmm. And less is more. You don't want to do oversaturate your fusioning as is alcohol base. It's gonna bleed it out if you're using it too much. And it's always let your clients know is they are different, like all different designs, different look of fusioning or marbling. They're not identical. So they will like know that it's not all the designs that they see it on Instagram or Pinterest are the same. We're gonna do like really close enough, but we can't exactly like do the same 100% identical. So if you like, you're happy with this look, I think it looks cute though. You see that I'm just littles of crystal clear, just enough. Because if I'm using it too much, I am going to like accidentally bleeding like my fusion ink design away. Great, happy with this. We'll let it just air dry. It doesn't necessarily need like to be clear. And then I am going to using premiums I hold transfer foil. I am going to transfer all the cute mascaras on this. And then I'm gonna dress it up with crystals. Oh, look at that, everyone. Looks that stunning. Okay, let's let's play with that. So premium eye hole transfer foil as my fusion ink starts setting good. So I'm gonna put all anti, like cover completely anti the nails, because I'm gonna do like a lot of different masquerades on the surface of these nails. Pop in the lamp for about 30 seconds. If you're using a premium's eye hole transfer foil, it's 30 seconds. I love this, guys. Like you press it on, you feel it. You don't have to worry about, oh my God, getting nervous that it's gonna come off or it's gonna stay, or it won't do that to you if you're using a premiums. The eye hole, a regular eye hole transfer foil is great as well. But if you are in a busy salon, get a lot of like busy with the clients and you need to key it faster, this is your 30 seconds and it works great. And it works in under any LED lamp. So I have an idea of this. I'm doing that masquerade, and I am going to using a ruby rose and dress it up with the masquerade. And then I also have that yellows glow in the dark, and I'm gonna do this one and this blue one. I am going to use it, that blue. Maybe I should use a strong blue though. But this one, it looks like a mask. This one, it looks like a more of Mardi Gras. Great, so I am going to place this masquerade right there. And then, hold on. Is my blue is hidden down here? And I do a smaller one. But all is stuck in there. It's okay. You see how stuck fast it is? It's like, hello, I didn't meant to be in that spot, but it's already here, but might as well. Also, if you want to do a background of some other colors of Mardi Gras, you are more than welcome. You can feel free to do it like the same past live video I did. It's like using scrumple my different colors of transfer foil, and I just place them on the nail so it make it looks really nice and ombre. So I peel all that film off. If you see on my hand, it's completely transfers the design. It looks so freaking stunning. So I am going to using condensed glue gel and apply and tie the nails, so it doesn't look thick at all. So each step I did is really nice and generous layer, so you don't feel that it's building up like at thickness at all. But it's also, it looks nice and it can hold your crystal and transfer foil in a really nice place. So I am going to apply all and tie the nails as I am going to dress this cute nails. I love the background in the back. It has a little bit of hint of green. It doesn't look too busy with green, but it looks good because it has some green look in it. Can you please clean that one? Going to a no wipe top coat. If you have a little bit troubleshootings with your crystal placement and it's keep coming off to use, for you is probably because of you didn't get enough amount of glue gels, or maybe you didn't press it gently down to the base of glue gels and top coat, or your LED lights is not curing properly. So I am going to I'm so excited. Let's play with this and see how this one turning out. I just want to dress them completely, but then I don't want them to be covered all the mascara. Unless you want the mascara to be covered, you can also. I think this looks good, but I fit on cover completely. Take it away from the detail of it. You can make this one a big, huge one if you want to. This one is only on the sides. And one yellow right there. I almost like covered completely by thinking, oh, but then it's gonna take away from really nice transfer foil. Oh, this one just challenged me. Great. And now I am going to zigzag that a little bit. I'll put some hint of green on it. Thanks so much, Nail by Jamie. Yes, Nail by Jamie. Thanks so much, Infinities. Thank you so much, everyone, for your love and support. We're gonna go like a little bit design down here, going down right there. So I'm gonna do some green. You will never go wrong with this. Like, doesn't matter whatever you come up with. This product is so easy, friendly using. Like, you will never, you think, if you place your crystal next to each other and place them like tight together, you will never gonna make any of really literally any mistake at all. Put it just aside. It looks so cute though. I'm gonna do a green because we have the base as the yellow, and then we have hot pink, we have really like kind of a light orange yellow. So I'm not gonna try to mess it with others. Unlike this green, you can do a lighter green. And the purpose of I want to do this because if your clients is going out like they celebrate, this is really glow in the dark for them. It makes it so freaking stunning. Like they're going out. I don't know if they're going down to New Orleans, or they are doing like a Mardi Gras ball or parade. This is super freaking cute if they are going at nighttime on the parade. So really cute. I did that, added more because then the nail's gonna get a lot of like glow nail or glow crystals. Great. If you want to do chains, you can, or you can also doing a beads. I think I'm gonna put some beads in to just bring the gold out. Ooh, I already seeing it. Me and Vicky got to chance to go down to New Orleans in November. We are having a great time. First time Vicky going down to New Orleans, and she had so much fun. And we was insane the hotel, the most haunted hotel in French Quarter. She gonna tell you about that. My lace came off of my shoe. I tied it really tight, and it came up in that block. It's a haunted block. I didn't know until like it's so interesting, but also it's so scary. I couldn't sleep it on that night. Like she sent me a whole link of a haunted video the hotel, and she's snoring, sleeping, and leave me there with stay awake. And then like I start hurting with what is that, the faucet start running and dripping. And then I am sleeping in that bed is like in front of the mirror, and it's so freaking scary, and it's old hotel. It's just so weird, and it's so historical. And at that night, we walking on that block, and that is the most haunted block in whole entire 12 blocks of French Quarter. It's great to know about the history. It's interesting. It's so nice, but it's a great experience. And then she was laughing at me like, oh, look at your lace, it came off. And they said, oh, I type it really good. And then I don't know why it came off. And then she's just giggling. And then the next, we walked for a few steps, and then her shoes came off. The laces came off too. And then we just like, oh, run. Oh, I like that. It looks so great. Look at that. Do you like?